My name is Zubair. For a long time, I felt like I was always in a hurry. I wanted quick success, quick learning, quick results. If I started learning English, I wanted to speak fluently in a few weeks. If I began studying for exams, I wanted high marks immediately. If I started working toward a goal, I wanted fast progress. Because of this, I always felt impatient. If results did not come quickly, I became frustrated. I told myself, why is this taking so long? Why am I not improving faster? Maybe I am not good enough. One day, I visited my uncle who lived in a small village. Life in the village was very different. People moved slowly. There was less noise. The environment felt calm. Early in the morning, I woke up and went outside. My uncle was sitting near a small farm. He was watching the sunrise. I sat beside him. After a few minutes, I asked, "Don't you get bored sitting like this?" He smiled and said, "No, I enjoy it." He pointed toward the farm. Small plants were growing in rows. He said, "These plants will take months to grow." I replied, "That is very slow." He nodded. "Yes, but if I rush, nothing will change." He continued, "Some things in life need time. If you try to rush growth, you only create frustration." His words made me think. I realized I was trying to rush everything in my life. That day, I decided to change my mindset. Instead of rushing, I started focusing on steady progress. When I studied English, I focused on understanding each sentence. When I learned new words, I practiced them slowly. When I worked toward my goals, I focused on daily effort. Days passed, weeks passed. Slowly, I noticed something. My learning became deeper. My confidence improved. My stress reduced. Because I stopped chasing speed, I started respecting time. I also realized something important. Life is not only about reaching goals, it is also about experiencing the journey. When we rush, we miss small moments. We miss learning. We miss growth. We miss peace. Now, I still work toward my goals, but I do not rush. I move step by step, because I understand something clearly. Slow progress is not failure. Slow progress is growth. Final thought. Do not rush your life. Give yourself time to learn, grow, and improve. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep moving forward slowly. And always remember, life grows beautifully when you stop rushing.